The Welsh Crown estates are worth £853 million, but did you know that unlike in Scotland, where any money raised from the Crown estate gets to stay in Scotland, in Wales it all gets sent across the border into England? Now, if you're not familiar with them, the Crown estates are areas of land, seabed, seaports and marinas. And if private companies want to use that, for example, to put a wind farm there, they have to pay for it. In Scotland, that money would go to the Scottish Government, but here in Wales, we've got a very different setup. And that's because Labour, including every single Welsh Labour MP, voted to keep that money going to England. Worse still, even your local council will have to pay the central government if it wants to use Crown estate land in your area. And even though the land isn't the private property of King Charles, Westminster negotiated that he gets a cut as well. And it matters because in Scotland, they're able to reinvest that money into local communities, whereas in Wales, we're simply not seeing it. And it's obviously right that Scotland gets to keep hold of that money, but if we're an equal union, why isn't Wales allowed to do the same? Plaid Cymru is the only party that's fighting for us to gain control of our assets and our wealth. And if stuff like this matters to you, join our movement and vote for Plaid Cymru next May.